I've been needing a new mic for creating my video content, so I'm really excited to unbox this desktop mic gifted to me from ZealSound. Let's go ahead and open it up. First up, we have a user manual. And by the way, the one they sent me is model K66DG. Inside, it lists out all the pieces that comes with the mic, and it also explains all the buttons and what they're used for. I really like how they have diagrams to show you what needs to be connected to what, which is especially useful if you're a visual person. And the diagrams also are accompanied with step-by-step instructions for both Windows and Mac users. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure we got everything we're supposed to. This is the actual mic, which stands on the desktop. We also have a cable so you can charge it. And here's a few adapters as well, because I think you're supposed to be able to use this both on your computer as well as on your mobile phones. First thing I'm noticing is it's easy to grip if I wanted to hold it in my hand while talking into the mic. It's pretty lightweight, yet it feels well made. There's a few buttons on the front to power up and control the volume on the mic, and the charging cable seems to be a pretty decent length, and it plugs into a USB-C port on one end and a USB-A port on the other end. And here's the receiver, which you can plug into a USB-A port on your computer if you wanted to use the mic wirelessly. By the way, the mic swivels so you can adjust the angle, and at the bottom there's a USB-C port and a headphone port. And by the way, the voiceover for this video was recorded using this mic, and I would say the sound is crystal clear, and it even blocked out the air purifier and computer fan that I had running in the background. In a follow-up video, I'll come back and show you how I was able to quickly set it up and use it right away.